Black holes. As Monkey walks slowly through the space jungle, he holds his banana tightly in his hand. The banana is his best friend. Monkey realizes that his banana and all the other bananas are being sucked into a darkness. The monkey is very surprised. That darkness is actually a banana, a black banana, but it is not like other bananas. It is heavy. It is very heavy. The black banana is so dense and heavy that all the bananas around it are caught in its gravitational field. And over time, this black banana becomes so dense that even light says, "I can't pass through here." This is what is known as a black banana in the monkey universe. Scientific name, space-time deformation, caused by gravitational collapse. The black banana swallows everything that enters it. But here's the important thing. Anything that goes in can never, ever come back out. The monkey's curiosity about the black banana suddenly increased. The monkey started asking questions about the black banana. The monkey went into the black banana. What happened to the monkey? Black banana approached the earth. What happened to the earth? Basically, everything that enters the black banana disappears. I will tell you about the horrible disasters that happens to the monkey and to the earth and everything else about the black banana in a bit. While Monkey is waiting with excitement and curiosity, there is a big explosion. Monkey sees a star explode. At that moment, Monkey feels the rhythm of the universe change. Monkey knows, thanks to what he has already learned, that this will create a black hole. But Monkey wonders, why do stars explode? Why do they collapse in on themselves? Stars expand from the inside out with enormous energy. They are in a constant state of war. On one side, their energy radiating from the inside out. On the other side, the powerful gravity created by their own mass. The balance between the two determines the life of the star. If the energy runs out, then gravity wins. And at that moment, the star collapses in a sudden explosion. This big explosion is called a supernova. Monkey is surprised and says, "Supernova, Nana?" No, supernova. This explosion is so powerful that it blasts the outer layers of the star deep into the universe. What remains is an incredibly dense core. This core squeezes its mass into a tiny space. Imagine that a banana many times the size of all the bananas in the universe shrinks down to fit in a hazelnut shell. This tiny, dense core bends space-time, so much so that even light cannot escape. This is where physics gets weird and math breaks down. But Monkey only understands with a banana. Monkey gets very excited about what he will learn about the black banana. Monkey, who is very curious about physics in the universe, writes in the comments which topic he would like to see in the next video. Now let's dig a little deeper to satisfy Monkey's curiosity. Stars produce energy throughout their lifetime. This energy is created when hydrogen atoms in the nucleus turn into helium. This energy pushes the star from the inside out, and gravity keeps it in balance. But one day, the hydrogen runs out. This time, the star starts burning heavier elements. But eventually, energy production stops. Gravity is stronger, and the star collapses in on itself. Sometimes this collapse is so fast and violent that the surrounding layers are ejected. We call this moment of ejection a supernova. A supernova is one of the brightest events in the universe. A supernova can emit more light than an entire galaxy, but what is left is a tiny nucleus. And that nucleus is a candidate to become a black banana, and that nucleus is normally 20 to 30 kilometers in diameter. The mass of the core can be 1 to 20 times that of the sun, which is 1.9 kilometers in diameter. Think about it, this thing that looks like a small black banana carries the mass of everything it sucks in. That's why it's so dense. It bends the entire universe. The monkey, halfway to becoming a black banana expert, asks, "Are black bananas only formed when giant stars explode?" No, black bananas are not only formed when giant stars explode. Some black bananas can form from much smaller masses, remnants of dead stars. Also, at the centers of galaxies, there are supermassive black bananas. They are so big, they contain millions of solar masses. Like this one at the center of the Milky Way, a giant black banana called Sagittarius A. Professor Monkey imagines, at the heart of the universe, a massive banana that could feed me forever. Who knows what it looks like? Here's your answer, Monkey. It doesn't look like anything. Black bananas draw an invisible boundary around themselves. This boundary is called the event horizon. Monkey crosses the event horizon. Monkey reaches the massive banana, says Monkey. Yes, you can reach the giant banana by crossing the event horizon. But this boundary has a very tricky feature. Once you go in, you can never come back out. Key features of the event horizon. Light gets trapped. If light crosses the event horizon, it can't escape. Invisible boundary. You can't see the event horizon, only its effects. Information paradox. Scientists still debate whether the information that goes in is truly lost or hidden in another dimension. To this day, we don't know. Monkey gets curious, looks toward the event horizon. He sees a ring of light. Monkey asks what that is. Answer: Einstein ring. The mass of the black banana bends space and time, and that bends light too. This creates a visual effect. The light circles around the black banana and appears to us as a glowing ring. In simple terms, the Einstein ring is light orbiting the black banana, forming a bright circle. But that's not the only thing Monkey sees. He watches bananas being pulled toward the black banana. First they freeze, then they fade, and then disappear. Monkey is amazed. He asks, how is that possible? Well, it's a brilliant illusion. As the banana approaches the black banana, time itself bends. To an outside observer, the banana seems to move slower and slower, as if it's frozen in place. But that's just an effect of time distortion. In reality, the banana keeps falling in. Meanwhile, light is also affected. As the banana gets closer to the event horizon, the light it emits becomes weaker and shifts red. Eventually, the light fades so much that the banana becomes invisible. So from the outside, it looks like the banana is stuck at the horizon and then disappears. This happens because time slows drastically and light can't escape. Now Monkey, full of banana knowledge, asks an excellent question. Can a black banana disappear? According to Stephen Hawking, yes. In the vacuum of space, tiny particle pairs occasionally appear. If one of them falls into the black banana and the other escapes, it's as if the banana loses a bit of energy. Over time, the black banana loses more and more energy, shrinks, and eventually evaporates completely. Big black bananas take so much time to disappear, but tiny ones could vanish much faster. Monkey is happy with all this knowledge. Monkey leaves a banana in the comments to say thanks. Then Monkey asks again. Monkey entered the black banana. What happened to Monkey? If Monkey approaches the banana feet first, his feet get pulled way more than his head. One end experiences time differently than the other. The gravitational force is so extreme, it stretches Monkey into thin strands, like spaghetti. Then Monkey explodes and is torn apart. This happens in seconds. It's called spaghettification. Monkey is horrified. With a mix of fear and curiosity, he asks again, what if a black banana got close to Earth? Even from very far away, the banana's gravity could disturb Earth's orbit. Earth might spiral away from the sun or start spiraling toward the banana. As it gets closer, tidal forces go wild. Oceans rise, tsunamis strike, continents crack, earthquakes erupt. The banana's gravity pulls one side of the planet much more than the other. A bit closer, Earth's atmosphere and surface are ripped away into space. Eventually, Earth is swallowed whole. Time slows down, light reddens, and from afar, Earth looks dimmer until it disappears. Now Monkey is a true professor of black bananas. Monkey is happy. Monkey subscribes to the channel for more knowledge.